This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Margie Sorrell. Stunning private frontage lake home at Reynolds Lake Oconee. This 5-bedroom, 4.5-bath home was recently completely rebuilt from the ground up. Step through the massive steel front doors and you'll discover a haven of warmth, tranquility, natural light, and breathtaking lake views. This beautifully maintained home boasts a welcoming open-plan living area, perfect for relaxing and entertaining, and expansive windows surround you, offering a picturesque view of Lake Oconee from almost every corner. The well-appointed kitchen is equipped with modern appliances and ample storage. The main floor also boasts a luxurious primary suite. 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths are located on the second floor, as well as a bonus room which could easily be a playroom or more sleeping space. The beautiful screen and porch is the perfect place for a morning coffee or an end-of-the-day cocktail. With its picturesque surroundings, charming curb appeal, and easy access to all of the world-class amenities Reynolds at Lake Oconee has to offer, this property is the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and charm. Seller is making a club membership available. For more information,